Number 10, Nissan Leaf. Skip. Number 11, 2022 Mazda MX-30. Not bad looking. Not bad looking at all. 34,695. That is $34,695. Looks like 85 mpg on the highway, 98 mpg on the city. The pros are zero tailpipe emissions. All right. Green, no carbon footprint. Lots of features. Sports car like handling. That's interesting. Cons, subpar range, very limited availability, cramped rear legroom. Haven't we talked about this? T needs some space. So, featured highlights: around view camera, heads-up display, curve adaptive headlights, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, forward collision warning, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, remote engine start, 3-year 36 basic warranty, 8-year 100K hybrid warranty. So, kind of a basic car, but doesn't look too bad. All right, let's go. 2022 Jaguar I-Pace, $71,050. Pros, quiet and comfortable. Sporty performance. Cons, less range than some rivals. Small cargo hold. Featured highlights: front cooled seats, heads-up display, panoramic moonroof, powered trunk, adaptive cruise control, in-car Wi-Fi, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, 5-year 60K warranty, 8-year 100K EV warranty. All right, so the Jaguar I-Pace is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in one trim level. The most popular style is the HSE all-wheel drive, which starts at $7,150 and comes with an electric engine and all-wheel drive. This I-Pace is estimated, again, 80 mpge, 72 mpg on the highway. Looks pretty good. Now, what is it? Is it a car? Is it an SUV? Is it a hybrid? A little bit of all three, huh? Yeah, looks decent though. Let's move on to number 13. Hyundai Ioniq. Not quite sure how to pronounce that. 2021 Hyundai Ioniq Electric. Coming in at $34,250. Don't like the look of it right off the bat. Looks blocky, bulky. Looks like they just threw it together. The pros are competitive price, lots of advanced safety and driver assistance features, class-leading warranty, low range. The cons are low range, sluggish acceleration, limited availability. So this seems to be a entry-level electronic vehicle, maybe something for the kids. First-time driver, maybe an older individual, grandma, grandpa, something like that. Excuse me. Okay, you can take a look at those features, pause it if you like. We're going to skip to the next. All right. Woo. Here we go. 2022 Audi RS e-tron GT. Coming in at $143,445. Now, I don't know about you, but I work hard for my money. And when I spend my money, I have certain expectations, right? So let's get into the overview of this Audi RS e-tron GT. Obviously, it's a sports car, guys. So it's not going to be very efficient when it comes to electricity. For $139,900, the Audi RS e-tron GT is the most state-of-the-art sedan in the German manufacturer's lineup. Okay. And the most powerful as well. Good. Fully electric with no need for gas, the sophisticated RS e-tron GT can produce an impressive 637 horsepower, from its electronic vehicle powertrain, providing near instant acceleration and 238 miles of driving range. The RS moniker tells seasoned Audi owners